Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So, please, my name is Michael. So, we're having 30 minutes ride from here to the Adomi Bridge and back. So, before you get to the bridge, you'll be passing by 3 islands. So, this is the first one on your left, right hand side. It belongs to the hotel, used as our nature park. So, you can go there for hiking or picnic. Then, the second island is owned by Jamaican, also used for farming purpose. Then, the third island belongs to our chief over here, also used for cassava farming and maize farming. So this is a man-made river. So this is Volta River, the largest man-made lake in Africa. So we'll go like this to the bridge. When you're coming back, we'll be passing the back of the islands. So please, in case you are going and see something else, you can ask me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we just started the boat ride.
Yeah.
We're here with Helen, Nathan, and Chris.
Yeah.
So let's come to Nathan first. How you feeling, Nathan?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah. Is it? Are you scared or?
Nah, it's normal. I'm not scared. It's okay.
It's a nice ride. So
Yeah.
we'll just ride along the river as he said, and he'll give us some information a bit later.
Yeah.
So enjoy.
Okay.
Okay. Let's pass it to Mommy. Okay, Helen.
Hello, brother. Hello.
As he said, this is the ride. How
Yeah.
you finding it?
Oh,
You've done it before.
I've done it before, many years ago, around 2011.
Okay.
Yes, Methodist University. The group came here. We joined at Sajuna and then went to the bridge and came back. So I have had a ride before, but still I'm enjoying it.
Yes.
It's good. It's quite a long time, so
Okay. It's good to come back.
yes.
Yeah. Good. Nice one. So
Okay,
enjoy.
so
We'll come back
cheers to good health and long life.
to you. Is that your first time doing this?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Yeah. How are you feeling? You comfortable?
Yeah, it's quite nice on the lake. It looks calm. Yeah.
Very calm.
And the area is nice as well. Yeah.
Beautiful for pictures.
Yeah. And I can see the mountain from here. Yeah. So
Good. We'll enjoy.
we will.
Speak to you again later.
All right.
Alright.
Okay.
I go be to make you want to run. Me, I go be scatter everywhere. In another life, you have a bed. Don't join me, I'm not gonna give up one something fun. Don't join me, oh yeah, only you they run my soul. You make a just a do not like. You make a just a oh no. You make a just a do not now. You make a just a the way you make I love you too much. Just why if you go over, if you try go, you go buy your own. Now silence, go be our best friend. You go 10 patience for silence. If you leave me, go fight, baby. If you try go, you go buy your own, baby. Now silence, go be our best friend. You go 10 patience for silence. Baby, I swear, I know you know that I don't care. Whatever. You make it just a good night. You make it just a the way you make I love you too much. I swear, if you go over, you try to go by your own. Now silence, go be our best friend. You go 10 patience for silence. If you leave me, go fight, baby. If you try to go by your own, baby. Now silence, go be our best friend. You go 10 patience for silence. By your own, baby. Our best friend, you go 10 patience for silence. Wait, baby. By your own, baby. Fàmí mọ́ra bíbí ó kì í ṣe máa nà ọmọ pẹ́ ti gbé àgbẹ̀ kí mo gbélé jù sọ́mọ́ ni mo wà gbélé kù ibi máa cross náà gbélé kù ibi máa gbélé bèbí kó kàdá àdèjì liver stay banana oh my banana ó jọ my banana ṣó ní báwo ní kò wá ẹlẹ́rìí ló bàlá èjì máa láìka máa sùn dáná.
Okay, so behind me you can see the Century Bridge that we're approaching. So we'll give you more of some details when we get there. So this is Akosombo or Atimpoku, and the area is called Century. If I flip the camera around, you can see another boat on the way coming alongside, and that's Michael, our tour guide, on the bottom left.
together. So on your left hand side, that's eastern region of Ghana. Then this side, after the bridge, you are going to Volta region. So you will go to Volta, Togo, Benin, all the way to Nigeria. Then this river takes you south from Burkina Faso. So it's about 665 miles from Burkina Faso to Ghana. So in this place, you can get fish like you have tilapia, we have catfish, tiger fish, shrimps, electric fish, water perch, and many more. All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Afani, yeah, Afani.
Which is Afani?
Oyster.
Oh, okay.
I have some in the freezer. We'll have to prepare some okra with it.
Afani.
Yes, afani.
And the 1,000.
1,000. Hey, with that bolo. Wavy. That's the local name, wavy.
Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Yes, the fresh one, When you with palm oil, stew and banku. All the stew is fish. And that's how you.
Only take the fresh one, you can go deep black.
Oh, is that so? Then if I get fresh, I'll buy and prepare some for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So which area is this?
So this Bridge Garden.
Bridge Garden.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bridge
okay.
Garden Resort.
Oh, okay.
Bridge Garden Resorts. Okay, it's also a nice place.
Great.
Nice place.
Hey, that's somebody's house. Rivera.
Location, no better than me will feel no need for go show. Obey your mind.
Just finished with the boat ride. Nathan, how was it for you?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah, what did you enjoy about it?
I was moving. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's true.
Any last words to say before we go?
This place, it looks nice by the way. Yeah. Yeah.
So we'll hopefully come back another time.
Yeah.